Question 18. Which statement about g of x equals x squared minus 576 is true? Okay, so I have 4 answers, and it looks like all of them are talking about the zeros. They're all talking about where are the zeros. Now, if you want to find the zeros, well, there's an equation, there's a formula for that, and the formula is on your reference materials. This is squared, so this is a quadratic. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in the quadratic section, and you want to find the zeros, which is in the quadratic formula right here. So you're going to want this formula, x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if you need to find zeros of a function, you will do this formula. So let me go ahead and write that formula down. So it looks like it's negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. There we go. And I'm going to be using this equation right here. This equation is g of x equals x squared minus 576. Okay, so I need A, B, and C from here. So let's talk about what is A, what is B, what is C. A is the number in front of the letter squared. So A is the number in front of x squared. El número enfrente de x squared. So what number is in front? There is no number, so it is 1. Okay. B is the number with only the letter, only x. So is there a number that is only x? No. So that is 0. C is the number with no letter. No letter. That would be negative 576. There. So now let's go ahead and solve this. Okay, I'm going to put these numbers inside the formula. Okay, so I have negative b. What is b? B is 0 in parentheses. Plus or minus square root b is 0 in parentheses, squared, minus 4, a is 1 in parentheses, after a is c, negative 576 in parentheses, divided by 2, a is 1 in parentheses. There. Okay, let's keep going. Negative 0. What is negative 0? Well, let's check in the calculator. Negative, parentheses 0, parentheses, enter, 0. So copy 0, copy plus or minus, copy square root. Let's put what is inside, que está dentro, in the calculator, okay? So I have parentheses 0 parentheses squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 576 parentheses. Enter. I got 2,304 divided by 2 times 1. 2 por 1. 2 times 1. 2. Okay, now I'm going to do 0 plus or minus. Let's put this in the calculator right here. Okay, so let's put square root. Oops. Square root. So that would be control. Let me show you where it is. Control that x squared. This is square root. 20,000. Oh, sorry, I copied wrong. Uh-oh, I copied wrong. 2,304. So oops. Miss Beruthi made a mistake. There. 2,304. There. Enter. 48. 48 divided by 2. Okay. Now what we're going to do, it's 2 parts, dos partes. Part 1 you will do with the plus. Part 2 you will do with the minus. So let's do 0 plus 48 divided by 2. So let's do the fraction. So the fraction, let's do that. Okay, 0 plus 48, 0 plus 48, go down 2, enter, I got 24. Now we're going to do it again with the minus, so I'm going to go ahead and go up, up, copy that, enter, and I'm going to change the plus and put minus, enter, I got negative 24. So these are my answers, 24 and negative 24. So I like to do 24, oh my goodness, 24 and negative 24. There. So those are my answers. So let's see which answer will give me these two numbers. So it looks like it is H. So H will be my answer because it's both negative and positive. Negative and positive. This one is only positive. I need both. Necesito ambos. So H is my answer.